Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the geometry, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best way to proceed with this drafting would be to begin in the top view. So in the top view, we'll first begin by drawing a rectangle which would be 40 which would be length would be 12 plus 40 plus 12 and the width would be 44 plus 32. So this rectangle would be ready. Then in this side right in the center, I'll draw a circle of a dia 40 and I'll trim the extra part of the circle. Then using the P line command, I'll draw one line from year to year 12 units, from year to year 20 units, from year to year 20 units, from year to year 24 units, from year to year 20 units, and from year to year 20 units. Then I will go into the southwest isometric view and extrude this triangle to a thickness of 24 plus 32 and then extrude this part to a thickness of 24 units. Then I would draw one line from year to year and this point would be 20 minus 6, that is 14 units. And then using press pull I would cut this plane so that we get this particular surface. Then on the back of the geometry I'll click over here and I'll draw a circle of radius 44 and press pull it to a thickness of 44 and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So right now we are in the top view. We'll begin by drawing a rectangle. One side dimension would be 12 plus 40 plus 12, that is 64 units, and this way it would be 44 plus 32, 76 units. So we click on home, we select rectangle and we draw a rectangle, and this would be 64 units, and we press tab and this would be 76 units and we press enter. So our this rectangle is ready. If you want you can check it. Click on annotate and linear dimensioning. So year to year you can see it is 64 and linear dimensioning year to year it is 76. I'll delete this. Now I'll draw one circle and this time I'll select center diameter. So this is a center point and diameter is 40. Then I would trim the unwanted parts of the circle. So I select trim. I don't need this and I also don't need this. Then I use the P line command and I turn the ortho on and I draw one line from here 12 units, then inwards 20 units, then outward 20 units, then here 24 units, then again 20 units, then again 20 units, and finally join with this line and press enter. Then we go into the southwest isometric view and we use the press pull and we click on this surface and give it a thickness of 24 plus 32, that is 56 units. So we give a thickness of 56 units and we press escape and change this to shades of gray. Then we again use press pull, click on this and give it a thickness of 24 units. Press escape. Then we draw a line. So this is 20 and this is 6. So this is 14. So I'll draw one line. I'll turn the ortho off. And from that point, I want to join it with this point. And I press enter. Then I use press pull. I click on this plane and extrude it outward and we get a cut this way. Now we want to finally create this cut. So we use the orbit tool and we click here. Then we select center radius. We click on this plane. We click here and give a radius of 44. Press enter. And then use press pull. Click on this plane and extrude it inwards to a thickness of 44 units. We no longer need this part of the circle. We select it and erase it. And again come to the southwest isometric view. Click here and make it to parallel. Now these two objects are separate. So we use the union command and select both the objects and make it into one. And now our geometry is complete. You can use the orbit command and you can view your drawing in all possible views to get a complete view of your profile. So friends, in this tutorial we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.